In today's video, we're taking a detailed look at Skool, which is being called the best online learning platform of 2024. If you're an entrepreneur looking for a top-notch place to host your courses and community, then stick around. This review might just change your game. When you're building an online course or community, picking the right platform is crucial. Today, we're focusing on Skool and why it might be the best choice for 2024. One thing that stands out about Skool is how simple it is to use. Skool has a user-friendly interface that feels instantly familiar. This design makes it super easy to find what you're looking for, whether it's course material, community discussions, or member profiles. The interface feels a lot like Facebook, which most people are already used to. This makes switching over to Skool smooth and reduces the learning curve for new users. Course building experience. Creating a course on Skool is seamless and frankly inspiring. The platform is designed to be fast and straightforward, allowing you to focus on your content rather than getting bogged down by all the technical stuff. The intuitive drag and drop interface makes organizing modules and adding multimedia content and customizing your course layout a breeze. This gives your course a professional and cohesive look. The tools for adding multimedia elements, quizzes, and interactive features are straightforward, enhancing the learning experience and making it easier for you to deliver high-quality content efficiently. Community engagement. The clear layout and intuitive design make it easy for users to join discussions, find relevant content, and interact with other members. This is vital for any learning platform because engagement often leads to better retention and satisfaction rates among the learners. One of Skool's standout features is its built-in gamification system. Members earn points for participating in discussions, completing courses, and engaging with content. As they accumulate points, they can unlock various features, courses, and other rewards set by you, the community builder. Another major advantage of Skool is its speed. Skool's infrastructure is built to handle large amounts of traffic without compromising on performance. This means your users will experience minimal downtime and fast load times, even during peak usage periods. A smooth and efficient platform not only improves user satisfaction, but also reflects well on your brand. Customization and branding. While Skool doesn't offer the most noteworthy customization options in the world, this simplicity can be a strength. The customization is very basic, allowing you to focus on the content and the community rather than getting bogged down in fonts and brand colors. This approach ensures that the primary focus remains on delivering valuable content and fostering meaningful interactions within your community. And Skool does have its drawbacks. Skool doesn't offer native video hosting, so you'll need something like Loom, Vimeo, or YouTube for your course videos. However, there is a silver lining. By using a dedicated video hosting, you ensure that your videos are top quality and stream reliably. This can make your courses even more appealing and enhance the overall user experience. Like we spoke about earlier, customization options are also somewhat limited compared to some other platforms out on the market, which might be a drawback to you if you have a very specific design or functionality requirements in mind. Another important factor is customer support and resources. Skool offers great support, including detailed documentation, tutorials, and a responsive support team. This ensures any issues or questions get addressed quickly, minimizing disruptions to your workflow and community. Plus, Skool has an active user Skool community where members share tips, best practices, and help support each other. This peer-to-peer network can be invaluable, especially for new users getting the hang of the platform. Now let's talk about pricing. Skool offers a 14-day free trial, which is perfect for testing out the platform. After that trial, it's a flat rate of $99 per month. And this is pretty competitive considering the range of features and the platform's quality. Remember to factor in the cost of a video hosting service like Loom or Vimeo. But despite all this, many users seem to find Skool's value justifying its cost. Overall, the benefits of Skool far outweigh its cons. Its speed, simplicity, and community engagement are top-notch. So whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your online courses and community, Skool has the tools and environment to help you succeed. If you want to get started with Skool, go ahead and click the link down in the description to sign up with Skool today and start building your thriving online course and community. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make tons of videos to help out brand new entrepreneurs, so consider subscribing. And let us know down in the comments if you have any questions about Skool or any other platforms. We're here to help. Other than that, thank you so much for your time. We'll see you here in the next video.